Cleaning the public restroom. Start by announcing housekeeping 3 times. Then place a traffic control device at the entrance of the restroom. Replenish amenities as needed. Begin by sweeping the floor of the restroom. After sweeping, take out the trash, disinfect the trash can, then immediately replenish the trash bag. Next, clean the mirrors of the restroom, followed by the sinks. Then damp mop the floor. Finally, return the materials used in their proper places and remove the traffic control device.